we're making waffle balls today. I begin by making my buttermilk because I never buy it. It is milk and vinegar, that's it. 1 cup of milk to a tablespoon of vinegar, give it a mix, let it stand for 5 until it kind of curdles slightly. Buttermilk's ready. Super simple, so much easier than buying just the buttermilk and then having it go off in your fridge. I then add that to the bowl along with an egg, and I was about to whisk and remembered, oh yeah, vanilla. So add some vanilla in there too and give that a good mix until it is combined and the egg is fully mixed in with that milk. Then we're going to go in and add our flour, our baking powder, our granulated sugar, and some salt to taste. We then also add lastly our melted butter. Now we're going to give this a really good mix with our whisk and beat it until we get a nice smooth batter. If you find that your batter is a little bit too thick, which is what happened to me here, then you can just add a little bit more milk. Don't worry about making the buttermilk, just add normal milk for this if you don't have the buttermilk to hand. That's absolutely fine. We still want our batter to be a little bit thick, we don't want it to be runny, and that's okay, but as long as it doesn't feel too gloopy, like you can put a scoop or what have you in there and get some good batter. We're then going to heat up our waffle ball maker. Plug it in, the light will be on. For mine personally, this is what happens. You plug it in, the light is on, it then turns off when it's ready. I'm pretty sure it's the standard for most. You then fill it up to the little line that is inside. I would suggest going a little bit lower than that. I've had this thing explode on me many times, and that batter will pour out the back of that, it is such a mess, and it bakes on. So I tend to underfill it. The bowls are big enough, that's fine, but just a heads up. So you'll carry on until all your batter is done. I find the perfect time for this waffle maker, and I do suggest setting your timer, is 5 minutes per waffle. So seal it, lock it. Mine doesn't lock, it's fine, I just close it, I leave it. I used to weigh it down, don't bother. It works just fine, even when it's broken. So don't worry if that latch breaks off. Once all your waffle balls are made, then you can fill it with whatever you desire. Today I'm going to fill it with some frozen fruit. I love frozen fruit. And some ice cream and cream and maple syrup. But you can add chocolate or banana or whatever you want, nuts if you really want to. That's fine. Just fill it up and enjoy. You will find this full recipe over at gemmaandcompany.com.